guys, so today's another video, and today I'm going to be playing BEDWARS, but not just any kind of BEDWARS. BEDWARS hypixel, like everyone plays every single day of their life, just like, okay. Bridging is always fun. And it's a safe bridger. Safe bridger. You bye. He's level 36 and he's a safe bridger? Come on. Come on. Game. I just become silent. I don't know why. I think I'm trying hard, that's why. Okay, so I don't know if I should go to mid or go to white and get his bed while he's having fun with pink. Okay. We just go to yeah, I think I should push white, yeah. Green or white? Green or white? White it is. White, okay. Okay, green's out. I didn't even see that. Okay. Extreme clicking sounds, but it's alright. Okay. If this guy's a safe bridger too. Yeah, no, he's not. Okay, he's not a safe bridger, which is good. Okay. I'm just waiting in the fight. Okay, they're trading beds. I'll go have to wait. Literally trading, okay. Come here, come here, come here. There you go. Now we go after pink. He was like one level higher than me, but it don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. We're just good like that, you know? You might not kill pink, but that's alright. That's alright. Come on. We have to. And on for white bet. We need to recover. Okay. So don't go after my bed. Please go after my bed. I need void. Okay. A little bit nervous. Okay, he's not. Okay, we got some ladders. Gonna ladder clutch on him. I left Plink live. Not good at all. Not good at all. Not good. Not good play. The bed. He's level 104. Oh, okay. Look at my level. Look at his level. That's BEDWARS level. That's hard to get. Okay. Yo, what's up? Ladder clutch. Let's go. That ladder clutch. No, you ain't getting in my bed. Come here. I think I need sacrifice. Let's go! Me and pink. Yeah. You going? Okay. Come here. I'm gonna kill you. Okay. First easy game of BEDWARS. Okay, first game. 6 minutes? Yeah, 6 minutes. Let's go. Steve, I think you're gonna lose. Who are we going after? Who are we going after? We are going after Ryanani. Okay. I don't think Ryanani is that good, but no offense, Ryanani, but okay, it's fine. Ryanani, come here. What level is he? 24. Yeah, he's not that good. No offense. We out of wool? Come here, come here. Okay, we need to get some wool. We have no wool. Okay. 5 seconds over, no more waiting. I can't lose. Okay. Gap up. Gap up. Double gap. Get down, go down, go down. Get the bed. Come on, come on. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here. I said come here. I don't put you on bed? No, okay. No, what is that? Okay. Okay, come here, come here. Ultimate speed bridging. I don't really click when I speed bridge. Is that a newbie thing? It's not. Okay. I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. Who's your boy? There we go. He disconnected. Thanks for the free gem. That was really lucky. What level is he? Level 55. Oh no, I'm definitely dead. Or if I... Or I can't sacrifice. Oh, I forgot about it. I don't know this. We need it. Okay. Okay, maybe not. That is really lucky. Now, he just left his bed? Are you leaving your bed like that? I mean, you know. I mean, if you don't mind, I'll get you a bed, but yeah, I'll just go get it. I don't team. Teaming is for noobs. Yeah, and don't team. It can get you banned. Disclaimer. Please don't void. Please don't void. Please don't void. I don't want to raise any blocks. That's why. That's why. That's why you don't leave your bed like that. That's why you don't leave our bed like that. Shop, what? We should wait till the iron armor, right? Would you get iron down? I am so dumb. Okay, I don't know what the heck I just said. So, okay. Who else should we push? Who else did we push? Who else? Okay, pink. Last game we didn't get to go after pink. But this is not the same person. But, you know, let's go after him. Pretty risky? No. Okay. Okay, bed. Go back to your bed. I'm right here. Go back to your bed. Go back to your bed. Look at 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 your bed. Oh, shush. I'm making a video. And I have no enchants. I do. Okay. I'm gonna shush. Pink, you really want to always fall in the void, don't you? Whenever I'm pushing, some pink guy always wants to fall in the void, doesn't he? He doesn't want anyone to get his finals. He don't want your boy to get all the finals. 2 wins in a row, okay.